I replaced the belt on my LTX1040, but the mower moves very slow or not at all. Does it need to be adjusted? If so, what are the necessary steps?
What's the make and model of the mower? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Cub Cadet model LTX1040 13 RX90 is 056. It is a 2010 model.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Your mower has 2 drive belts and a variable pulley system. Did you replace both belts? The variable pulley has a spring that should keep the belts tight. See link below. https://www.parts3.com/parts/cub cadet/mowers lawn garden tractor/LTX1040 13X90 is 010 13RX90 is 056 13X90 is 09 13 WX90 is 010 13 WX90 is 09 Cub Cadet lawn tractor 2010/drive system/.
I replaced both belts number 43 and number 44.
Number 27 is the tension spring. With engine off, see if the belts are tight.
No. Belt number 44 is on but very loose.
Do you have the belt routed through the idlers correctly?
Tension spring is in place.
Did you compare it to the old belt for length? 1/2 by 91 inches.
I ordered from Cub Cadet ## poly V belt.
Right number. Does the variable pulley end move when you move the speed lever?
When I depress the pedal, the pulley at the belt moves and the belt seems to get tighter.
It should. Was belt slipping while you replaced it? The variable pulley may not be moving up and down.
The old belt was cut up in several places, so I just replaced it. I'm going to take this apart to do a close inspection. At any time do you adjust the control rod?
It should need no adjustment, unless the bracket is removed or the variable pulley is changed.
Thanks. I'll get back to you after I do further inspection.
Okay.
I have checked everything out. The pulley is moving up and down freely, the belt is routed correctly, and all springs appear to be okay. Is it possible that the poly V belt could have stretched, or is the wrong on even though I ordered the correct part?
Does it have the right number on it? Then it should be right. I doubt it has stretched, but you could compare it to the old one for length. Only thing that makes big difference is the routing through the 2 idlers. They are what tightens the belt.
I changed the belts last fall and things seemed to be okay, then other than I had to push the pedal to the deck for speed, now it won't hardly go and I have to let up and push down again and it keeps coming to a halt.
See drive belt section for variable pulley, the link may need to be adjusted. NTD makes the Cub Cadet.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.